Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock where ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund has yesterday bought 94 lakhs 45,000 shares at rupees 50.09. Now this bulk deal happened on the National Stock Exchange. Also friends, if you are benefited by the content that we produce on this channel, please don't forget to share these videos. This helps the channel grow and also motivates us to create more such content for you in the future. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is National Aluminium Company Limited, which is available at rupees 49.85 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is NATIONALUM. Now National Aluminium Company Limited is engaged in the production of alumina, aluminium and power. The company operates in three segments, which are chemicals, aluminium and unallocated common. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, the company has been a disappointing performer and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The market cap of the company is 9,300.10 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The company is, however, available at very cheap price to earnings ratio of 5.30 when compared with its industry PE of 18.48. The price to book ratio of 0.89 is also dirt cheap. The company's debt to equity is 0.0305, whereas the return on equity for the stock is 0.0603. One very strong factor is the dividend yield, which stands at a whopping figure of 11.43%. The promoter holding is 56.77 and none of it is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.